In this video, I'm going to talk about number series and how to create flowchart for these number series. So what are different types of number series, like very common number series? So they are natural number series, odd number series, even number series. So this number series can be arranged in both ascending and descending order. And in this video, we're also going to create a flowchart for number series with their sum. So firstly, for number series, natural numbers. So in this flowchart, I have designed this flowchart to display natural numbers from 1 to 5. And I'll guide you how we are going to create a flowchart for natural numbers up to any number. So let us go through this flowchart. Here I have drawn a flowchart and I do have a trace table over here. I'm going to show my output down here in the output screen. So at first, start. So natural number begins with 1. So we are assigning a variable whose value is 1. We have a condition over here. This condition is created for the loop. So when this condition is true, we are going to do these two steps. We are going to display the value stored in A, and then we'll increase the value of A by 1, because the increment in natural number is by 1. And this task will be repeated for given number of times. So let me explain with the help of trace table. Start, that is done. A equals to 1. So in the memory of the computer, a variable A is assigned whose value is 1. Now let us go to next step. Is A less than or equals to 5? So computer will check this statement. If this condition is true, then it will go towards downwards. So over here, the value of A is 1. So the condition is true. So we'll move to next step, display A. In the output screen, you will find the result, the value stored in A will be displayed. Now next line, A equals to A plus 1. Again, in the memory of the computer, the value for A will be changed. Go through the arrows. Is A less than or equals to 5? Is the value of A less than or equals to 5? Yes, because the value of A is 2. Display A. Now in output screen, we'll get 2. A equals to A plus 1. The value of A will increase again. Go up again to the condition. A is less than or equals to 5? Yes. Display A. You'll see 3 in the output screen. A equals to A plus 1. The value of A is increased by 1 again. Go for the loop up here. This condition, A less than or equals to 5. Yes. Display A. It will display 4. A equals to A plus 1. The value of A will be changed. Is A less than or equals to 5? Yes, at this time A is equals to 5. Display A. It will display the value 5. A equals to A plus 1. This will change the value of A to 6. Again, the program will go up. Now A is less than or equals to 5. Now over here, the value of A is 6. So the condition does not satisfy over here. So we have to move towards the no line. Now our flowchart will stop over here, displaying 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. First 5 natural numbers. And this is how we do the trace table. Now I'd like to explain how you are going to get the natural numbers up to 100. So to get the natural numbers up to 100, simply we have to loop these two statements for 100 times. That is, changing the value of 5 to 100 will give us the desired output. Now I'm going to talk for natural numbers from number series for natural numbers from 1 to 100. As I already explained, we have made change over here, so that gives the desired output, the number from 1 to 100. Now the next flowchart on my right hand side, it's also a natural number series, but it is in descending order. So if we want to print natural number series from 100 to 1, what changes we have to make? See the comparison. For ascending order, we start from 1. For descending, we started from 100. Now the condition is changed. So to satisfy this condition, we have to, operator over here less than or equals to, but in the case of natural number in descending order, we have to create a greater than or equals to. So you have to put the operator greater than or equals to. So display A, we are displaying the value of A on the both sides, and in descending order, we have to reduce or decrease the value of A by 1. In ascending order, we have to increase the value by 1. In descending order, we have to decrease the value by 1. And once the last value for A for this flowchart will go to 0. When the value of A is 0, at that time the condition will not satisfy, and then the flowchart will stop. Now let us go for the flowchart for odd numbers and even numbers. So for odd numbers, I have done it in ascending order, and for even numbers, I have done that in descending order. So we are going to change in 3 places. Basically, the changes that we need to make, the shape of the flowchart will remain same. A equals to 1 for odd numbers from in ascending order. So we're starting from the smallest value. The condition up to where we have to reach, and what is the difference between the numbers. So if it is odd numbers, then A equals to A plus 2 for ascending order. Similarly, in even numbers, the values start from 100. So this is for descending order, and it goes up to 1, and the value is decreased by 2. This is how we'll get the even number series for descending order. Now let us go to the number series with their sum. So how to get the sum? This is another important part which will be discussed in next video. Thank you.